This is a cover with blue bubbles. Everyone is attending classes at school. The little girl was lost in drawing, depicting herself playing with a flying fish. Suddenly, many fish swim past her, many fish and jellyfish. From her perspective, then gradually, the tables and chairs around her flew away, and she also flew up with wings, jumped out of the window and fly into the sky. She felt freedom. Flying on the clouds, she saw two flying fish. Curiously, she wanted to touch it with her hand, but suddenly regained her focus and her thoughts returned to the classroom. This time, the teacher credited her for not paying enough attention and being distracted in front of her. But she, who was still lost in thought, was already lying on the lawn. She also saw the group of flying fish just now. One of them, wearing a shell necklace, noticed her, then rushed down and knocked her down. Just look at each other like this. Flying Fish said she wants to take her to a place, put her straight toward the sea, and jump in. She gradually sank into the bottom of the sea. Then she opened her eyes again. She already has a bubble to breathe. She wanted to explore everything under the sea. What she didn't know was that a shark was beating her from behind. The flying fish swam over to save her. They escaped shark capture behind the reef, a transition of the textbook. They swim in the water one after another. The waves push them up and down. The flying fish crowded her out of the water, rhyming in the sky. At this moment, the little girl drew an octopus with the notebook and she had just taken. What she didn't notice was that the octopus she just drew turned into a real octopus. Then they fell down. They was spotted by octopuses on the shore. The octopus is about to catch them and eat them. The little girl realized that what she drew in her notebook could become real. She drew a sword. The result was a sharp blow. The knife has split in half, but octopus remains intact. The angry octopus catch them. Just then, many small octopuses were landed and hit the octopus king. The little girl had ideas. The image of octopus beating appeared in her mind. Take the notebook. She drew a pot made of octopus balls and placed it on the octopus. Immediately the smoke disappeared and many octopus balls fall from the sky. They are also sitting on the ground. Take a big down. Returning to the classroom once again, it's like every time she has a grenade falling, it reminds her that this is a dream. There was no one in the classroom anymore. She looked at the notebook. There is a painting that was just hit by an octopus. Although it was a dream, she was still very happy. Then she closed her notebook. There is a dumb shell necklace under the notebook.